What if the secret to revolutionary human leadership isn't found in a boardroom, but in the wild? Imagine wolves cooperating while hunting, or meerkats standing guard for their group. These extraordinary behaviors show teamwork and empathy at its finest. Let's explore how these simple actions offer profound lessons for compassionate leadership. In the animal kingdom, altruism seems puzzling. We often think of evolution as survival of the fittest. However, we encounter unexpected heroes. Vampire bats share blood with those in need. Meerkats take turns guarding their young. Is this pure selflessness or an evolutionary strategy? This idea of reciprocal altruism challenges our understanding of altruism. Animals engage in cooperation, benefiting others while securing their survival. Such behaviors remind us of the importance of empathy in our own lives. These actions inspire us to question our perceptions of teamwork. Let's break down how these animal interactions apply to human leadership step by step. First, effective teamwork hinges on trust. Just as wolves rely on each other, we also thrive in collaborative environments. Building trust paves the way for open communication. Next, adaptability is crucial. In the wild, animals adapt their strategies for survival. Similarly, feel free to modify your leadership style. Embrace change and guide your team through challenges. Additionally, recognize the value of diverse contributions. Just as different animal species collaborate, human teams benefit from varied perspectives. Encourage diverse voices in your organization. Foster a culture of inclusivity to spark creativity and innovation. Consider this example. A corporate team facing a tight deadline can learn a lot from meerkats. When everyone plays their role, the group can succeed. Effective teamwork results from shared responsibilities and mutual support. To summarize, we learned that animal altruism teaches us essential lessons. Trust builds solid foundations. Adaptability allows us to navigate challenges. Encouraging diverse perspectives fuels creativity. Each step leads us to better leadership. So, how can you implement these lessons today? Start fostering trust within your team. Adapt your leadership style to meet changing needs. Encourage diverse contributions from everyone. Are you ready to lead compassionately and effectively? Embrace these lessons from the animal kingdom and transform your approach to leadership. Let's create stronger, more empathetic teams together.